Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create groups in Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this guide of Microsoft Learning Center. So basically, this is exactly how you can create a group in the Microsoft Admin Center. So the first thing to do is to, of course, log in into your admin center. And basically, you will be needing to be the admin of your organization. Now that you are the admin of your organization, you will need just to log in to the admin center. And as you can see, you will be able to go to the teams in the group. So basically, you will have a tabs for teams in group, and then you will need just to select on activate teams and groups. By clicking on that, you will have another pop-up that will allow you to add Microsoft group. And basically on the basics page, you will add the name of the group and optionally a description. Then you select next. By clicking on next, you will uh, choose the owners page. That means you will choose the name of one or more people of your organization. That means you will need to choose users that will be designated to manage the group. That means you are the manager of all the groups, and then you are assigning some managers of each group. And anyone who is a group owner will be able to delete emails from the group inbox. So anyone would have some privileges on uh, the group that they are managing. So now on the members page, you will need just to choose the name of one or more people who will be designated as members of the group, and by that you have created a group successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.